What is non-current liability and what is current liability? So let me tell you friends, what is current liability. Current liability is a liability of a business. Current liability is an obligation of a business that business has to pay it back and discharge it within a period of next 12 months from the date of the balance sheet. That is a current liability. यानी current liability वो liability है business की जिनको कि business ने बैलेंस शीट की डेट से अगले 12 महीने के अंदर उनको पे करना है. Those are your current liabilities. Examples are short term borrowing, trade payable, अदर करंट लाइबिलिटीज एंड शॉर्ट टर्म प्रोविजंस. शॉर्ट टर्म बोरोइंग का क्या मतलब है? आपने बैंक से वर्किंग कैपिटल के लिए पैसा लिया है, शॉर्ट टर्म बोरोइंग. ट्रेड पेबल का क्या मतलब है? यू हैव बॉट गुड्स ऑन क्रेडिट फ्रॉम योर सप्लायर्स. until the time you paid back to the suppliers, they will be your liability as trade payable in your balance sheet. Other current liabilities का क्या मतलब है? You are a running company, so besides purchasing the raw material, you also avail different other services. What services? Housekeeping का services यूज़ करते हैं, कैंटीन का सर्विस यूज़ करते हैं, सिक्योरिटी का सर्विस यूज़ करते हैं, और उनका जो बिल आता है वो बिल हम उनको पे करते हैं अगले महीने में या अगले से अगले महीने में. So until the time,
sorry.
just give me a second. Just give me a second.
Hold on, please.
Okay.
Mr. Pramod,
Yes.
I'll request you to conduct in English because we have some participants from outside.
All
like
right.
Europe.
Sure.
Europe and Africa as
Thank
well.
you, sir.
Hindi is part. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. So short-term borrowing is what you have taken from the banks, and trade payable. When you purchase goods on credit, until the time you pay, they come in the balance sheet as trade payable. Other current liabilities would mean what? Other current liabilities would mean in business, not only we purchase material on credit, but services also be available on credit. So the housekeeping service, the security service, all these people, we pay them not at the end of the month, but maybe next month or next to next month. So these all appear as other current liabilities. And short-term provisions are we make for certain expenses which have become our liability, but we are not sure as to how much that amount is. So on estimated basis we make a provision, and those are referred as short-term provision. So this is your current liabilities.